Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your lock screen pattern invisible in Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all we need to open our settings application, and after we have opened the setting we can go to the lock screen setting, this one guys, and here you need to choose the secure lock setting. Alright, and if you want to make your pattern invisible, you have to turn off this feature. There's a visible pattern feature. You just need to click on the circle button to disable this feature, and right after you turn off this feature, your pattern will be invisible on your lock screen in Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make our pattern or lock screen pattern invisible in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.